Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. And yes, finally y'all, we're gonna go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, get busy with this buzz sound. Now, how I was instructed on how to fix it, you know, is get like a little ground wire or a wire period, you know, Pacific wire, and ground it on a screw on the back of the radio and wrap around the RCA jacks. But let's go ahead and get in this dash, y'all. I told y'all this is not an easy job, but we are going to get it done. So I'll catch y'all back. Now we back. So we actually got the radio out. I mean, there's a lot of madness going on back here. I mean, I ain't gonna even lie. But, you know, speaker wires touching speaker wires, I can't see that being an issue. So we got this out. So what we might do, because we already got the park name mounted to a screw, so I might have to go with this screw right here, or one of these screws over here though. Let's see, focus. I don't want to focus, but there we go. Yeah, don't see no problems though. No. Could use that little screw right there between the RCA jacks, but I'll use this screw, give me a little bit more room. And we gotta do these two bottom ones. I don't use the top one because that's for the rear camera. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, let me show y'all how many screws again. You know, this is why it takes me a little time to get into the dash. Like, it's gotta be something that you gotta just like pump yourself up for. You know what I'm saying? It's just not easy going back and forth in my dash. Like, that's like, man, if you going up in my dash, it's for something very important. And this buzz sound is important because yesterday, as I was doing demos for people, you know what I'm saying, I was able to see that, you know, when the bass stop in the song, the woofers, they keep moving slightly. So the buzz sound is in the woofers too. You know, and the woofers and up in the, you know, the 6.5 tweeters, everything. So we're gonna try to get rid of it, man. All right, we'll be back. Okay. So what I got the little wire mounted on there. Trying to make sure it touches everything. Like, I know the bass just shakes everything apart though, but let's see what's gonna happen, man. Maybe I might make the wire a little bit longer. Yeah, I think that'd be a good idea. Or I'm gonna do it another way. Hold on. All right, we back. Hope we can see it. But I got it looped up around the RCA jacks. But here's the big moment, y'all. Here's the big moment. Let's turn it on. So we ain't gonna put it back into the thing until we make sure that the buzz sound is gone. Is the buzz sound gone? Listen up real quick. What you guys request to me, will it work? You know, oh shoot, let me turn on the radio. Make sure everything is functioning. So far, so good. I don't hear no buzz sound. Oops. Yeah. It's gone, man. It's gone. The buzz sound is gone, y'all. It's gone. I don't hear nothing. You guys are genius, man. I really appreciate it. So let me go ahead and get the woofers back in. I mean, get the radio back in. And then, you know what I'm saying, we're going to go ahead and do a demo. All right, we back. Yeah, and this radio was on, by the way, so the noise is not as apparent no more. Maybe y'all might can hear it a little bit, but I don't have real good hearing. So if it's a little bit low tone, it ain't gonna bother me. I don't think anybody else can hear it neither. The only thing that I found out about it though, like when I try to go to my subwoofer option and change it back to the 12s, it don't let me do it. It don't let me do it. It'll take the words out and then just go all bass. So maybe that's something else I might have to figure out. Now it's doing that. So, man. But, oh yeah, and let me explain y'all. Yeah, I went to the Slamology yesterday. Met up with Bass Junkie and, you know, Monster. And, you know, I got to see a couple of good people, you know. You know, got some pretty decent videos. You know, so stay tuned for that. You know what I'm saying? Guys already seen the post I put up, you know. That custom box, man. Oh my gosh, man. Get ready for that, really. That, out of everything that I got coming up, that might be the best thing that I got coming up right now. But man, to me it is. To me it is. But let's go ahead and hear how it sounds without the buzz sound. All right. Man, I want to see something else though, because it really don't sound like it's hitting hard without you giving that at 12. So we're gonna try something else. See how I feel.
Hey, kiss heavy in this bitch, man. You already know how I'm coming. Smoking trash whole level. Fuck there ain't no fan. She big my jack to sand. Big get money will like better love the flex. I'm a money spender.
Heard that little sound. I mean, I got it up a little too loud on the EQ. But yeah, man. I mean, I gotta get it. I gotta find a way to get it back to the 10 setting. There you go. But yeah, we gotta figure out how to get it back to the 10 setting before we can get our most bass. So let me show y'all what it's doing right now. Found another problem. Saw one problem. Found another problem. Hopefully it works. Now watch this. Okay. See, as soon as I switch it to 12, it goes out. So another problem. See, I don't know how to take care. I reset the radio 3-4 times already, so yeah, well, whatever. We did get rid of the buzz sound though, so one problem fixed. Then we had to fix another problem. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, smash the like button. If you're new and you love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.